reopening, how and which classes, Centre leaves it to states. Nearly 43 lakh government school students in Andhra Pradesh to get free uniforms, bags, shoes and books. Maharashtra to decide on reopening schools only after assessing situation. School Education Department announces dates for talent search examination. High Court issues notices on plea over CBSE exam fee. Good morning and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Education Ministry on Monday issued broad guidelines for reopening schools amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, but left the decision on whether to bring back the youngest or the oldest students first up to the state governments. The states, a ministry official told the Indian Express, are free to decide the timing and manner of school reopening as long as it is in phases and after October 15th. Wearing of masks by students, teachers and staff will be compulsory. Amravati, in what could be a game changer in the field of education in Andhra Pradesh, all the students of government schools, aided residential schools up to 10th standard will be given a school kit named as Jagananna Vidya Kanuka, a scheme which is being launched from the 8th of October. As per the scheme, every student will get a school bag, textbooks, notebooks, 3 pairs of uniform, a belt and 2 pairs of socks, and these will be free of cost. While the Union Education Ministry has issued guidelines to states on the reopening of schools and colleges from October 15th, Maharashtra Minister of Higher and Technical Education Uday Samant on Tuesday said that in the current pandemic situation in the state, it was not advisable to do so. The minister hinted that Maharashtra would be reopening schools and colleges only after assessing the COVID-19 situation. The Punjab School Education Department on Wednesday announced that the state-level talent search examination stage 1 will be held on December 13th. According to a spokesperson, the class 10 students can take this exam. Those applying from SC, ST and physically challenged categories should have obtained 55% marks and other categories 70% marks in class 9. New Delhi. The Delhi High Court on Wednesday sought response of the Central Board of Secondary Education and the Delhi government on a plea contending that EWS children appearing for class 10 and 12 board examinations cannot pay the exam fees. The petition said that the Delhi government had paid the fees last year and had assured the parents that the issue would be solved. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.theenn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.